Watch. Hi everyone, he is Romeo and I'm Romeo Mama. In this video, I am going to do an unboxing of my first Apple Watch. I got the Series 7 Starlight. The lady in Apple telling me this strap inside this box. I'm not sure. I picked a good color and she said yes, everything is inside, but I'm not sure. So we're gonna open it together. I'm still here. So Romeo, okay, let's open this together. Wow. Oh, yes, the straps. This box is just really pretty. Okay. So, brand new because this sticker is still there. So, I have picked Starlight. So they're telling me it's not silver. It's like a champagne creamy color. Okay, so this is not a velvet. This is just a little, I think it's recycled paper sort of based. Okay, and what's inside the box? Instruction, and this is, it comes with the USB-C cable. That, so I will still need to use my adapter from my iPad or my mobile phone. So what do I do? So it's just sitting in like that. Oh, magnetic, clip on. Okay, so I will want to see the straps. So this is the strap. So yes, in that box it does come with a strap. $69 Australian dollars. Yes, the lady was right. It comes with two straps. This is small to medium. This is medium to large. And the top part, I think everybody can have the same. I purposely didn't pick the Starlight band because I want this to be all dark. And then just to show that rim. I already bought the leather strap, the double tour one. But this is my idea for picking a darker band, is to match the face. Then I was thinking if I match this dark to dark, then all is shown, it will be just the rim of the color of the watch. And I've also ordered the leather strap, the double tour one. So hopefully it will look a little bit more feminine with the double leather strap. But for now, I will get this watch started. So because the idea for me to get Apple Watch is because I always miss messages, I always miss lots of phone calls. So hopefully with this, I won't miss any more. Show the rim of the watch rather than the whole band. I don't want this watch to be too manly on me. This is another day. I just received a leather strap. I will want to change this because sometimes when I'm not doing sports or exercising, I want a little bit more feminine, girly type of leather. So this one is the double loop. Let me see. So press Okay. And then okay. So okay. So I'm gonna use this leather strap. So the long one, top one. Like this. I think this is the back, this is the front. I think if you want, you can swap the color. So let's see. Okay. I quite like the leather version. Like this. I think the leather strap actually make it more stable. So, okay, after I remove this, I think if I'm wearing a more feminine outfit, this leather strap fits me better than the rubber one. This one I will leave it when I'm exercise, or in case any water gets in, then I will use this strap. But I think for leather, I quite like this one. And look quite good, like this. I think I prefer the leather strap. What do you think? Because I think if I'm dressing more girly, the leather strap looks better than the silicone. I've also noticed one of the good things about this double leather strap is you can still wear a bracelet. This double leather thing is actually stop your bracelet hitting on the watch. I was actually thinking if I wear the Apple Watch, I can't wear my bracelets anymore. But in this, because this is actually stopping the things knocking on it, so which is okay. I want to see little Romeo. Romeo, Romeo, do you want to wear the Apple Watch like that? Hey, I can read your mind with the watch like that. Yes, I can read your mind. You want food. I do this unboxing video is because before I bought this watch, I asked a lot of my friends and family, and I asked them, does the strap come inside the box? And everybody told me, oh, I can't remember it because I got it a long time ago. I forgot. And then everyone not sure whether there's a strap comes with the box, even though they bought it before. So that's why I want to do this video, just to show that yes, it comes with a pair of straps inside. That's all for today. If you find this video is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. So new videos every week about beauty, fashion, dogs, embroidery, bandana, gadget, everything you might like. See you next time. Bye.